Okay, 1 minute, it's gonna ring. Okay, that was the alarm clock. I'm gonna set the alarm until 8 p.m. I mean a.m., sorry. No messages. Okay, select. I need to select time. Select, set alarm. Select the time. On. I'm gonna set the time to 8. I'm gonna set the alarm until 8:05 a.m. And now I'm gonna set, oh wait. Okay, 8:05. I set it so. Let's see what else they have. What is events? Let's see, what event is this? Let's see. Edit selected. What is this? Is a watch. Warning, okay, select. Okay. On, selected. Select. And then we're gonna test the EAS. Okay. Advance. Warning, okay, now let's test selected. On, selected. Okay. Okay. I just selected, hold on.